Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with these 2 blocks of wood. They are 5 by 5. I'm going to start by painting the back and all 4 sides with this baby blue color. And I'm painting this color because it matches the color printable that I'm going to use. So I just usually take my printables, put them up against all my paints, and pick the colors that match best. So like I said, I'm doing the back and the sides of these, and I'm leaving the front side blank for now. Once I have both of those painted on all of the sides with the blue, I'm going to take and paint the front white. I'm just going to try not to get any of this on the edges and just do the fronts of both of these with the white acrylic paint. And I just did one quick coat of this because it doesn't really need to be fully covered because we're going to put a printable over it. But I always paint underneath where I put a napkin or a printable because it makes the printable or the napkin brighter. Once that paint has fully dried, I'm going to take and put a coat of Mod Podge on both of these. Just a nice thin coat, and then I'm going to let that fully dry as well. Once that's all dry, I'm going to take these printables, and these are in my shop, and I made both of them. One of them says, ew, no, and no clucks given. I thought they were kind of funny, make cute little shelf sitters, and fun little gifts to give or to keep on your office desk or even at your house. So I'm going to lay the printable down after I cut it out, and then I'm just going to iron that on. I put a piece of parchment paper down, got both of those ironed on. Then I'm just going to sand around the edges to get off that excess paper on both of them. And I just printed these on regular printer paper, nothing fancy. You can use cardstock, you could use rice paper. It's totally up to you what you print them on. Now I have both of the edges sanded off. I can touch up the paint if I need to, but I didn't need to. And these turned out so super cute, and I just love the way they turned out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.